When the weather is fine, then you know it's a sign for messing about on the river. If you take my advice, there's nothing so nice as messing about on the river. There are longboats and short boats and all kinds of craft, cruisers and keelboats, some with no draft. So take off your coats, hop in a boat, go messing about on the river. There are boats made from kits that'll reach you with bits for messing about on the river. Or you might want to scull in a glass fibre hull, messing about on the river. There are tillers and rudders, anchors and cleats, ropes that are sometimes referred to as sheets. With the wind in your face, there's no finer place than messing about on the river. There are skippers and mates, rowing club mates, just messing about on the river. There are pontoons and trots, and all sorts of knots for messing about on the river. With inboards and outboards, dinghies you sail. First thing you learn is the right way to bail. In a one-seat canoe, you will skipper and crew, just messing about on the river. Don't just sit in the pub, join the tea rowing club, go messing about on the river. You'll meet all kinds of bods in sculls, fours and quads, just messing about on the river. When you're out in a boat on the silvery Tay, you feel all your troubles just melting away. There's a place in the crew just a-waiting for you, go